Crabs are some of the most fascinating creatures living in our oceans, beaches, and even freshwater environments. In this 5-minute video, we explore unique, surprising, and little-known facts about crabs, from their strange anatomy and incredible survival abilities to their important role in marine ecosystems. Get ready to discover why these sideways walking animals are much more complex than they look. Crabs have 10 legs, but not all are for walking. Crabs belong to a group called decapods, meaning 10-footed. While they do have 10 legs, the front pair is actually modified into powerful claws, chelae. These claws help them hunt, defend themselves, and communicate. They walk sideways for efficiency. Because of the unique shape of their leg joints, most crabs move sideways, which helps them escape predators quickly. However, not all crabs walk sideways. Some species can walk forward or even backward. Crabs can regrow lost limbs. One of the most astonishing abilities of crabs is regeneration. If a crab loses a leg or claw during a fight or escape, it can slowly grow it back during molting cycles. Molting is their most dangerous moment. Crabs must shed their hard shell to grow, a process called molting. During this time, their body is soft and vulnerable, making them an easy target for predators. There are over 6,000 species of crabs. Crabs come in an incredible variety of shapes, colors, and sizes, from giant coconut crabs to tiny pea crabs the size of a grain of rice. Their diversity is stunning. Coconut crabs are the largest land crabs. The coconut crab can weigh up to 4 kilograms and climb trees. They are powerful enough to crack open coconuts using their massive claws. Pea crabs are the smallest. At the other extreme, the pea crab measures just a few millimeters and often lives inside oysters or mussels. A true miniature marvel. Crabs communicate by drumming and waving. Crabs don't talk, but they communicate through claw waving, drumming, and sometimes by vibrating the sand. These signals can attract mates or warn rivals. Horseshoe crabs are not true crabs. Despite their name, horseshoe crabs are more closely related to spiders and scorpions. They have existed for over 450 million years, long before dinosaurs. Crabs play an important role in marine ecosystems. They help clean the ocean floor by eating dead animals, plants, and organic waste. Without crabs, many coastal ecosystems would struggle to stay balanced. Some crabs carry homes on their backs. Hermit crabs use abandoned snail shells for protection. As they grow, they must find new, larger shells, sometimes even competing with other hermit crabs for the best one. Crabs can detect vibrations easily. Crabs have hairs on their bodies that can sense water movement and vibrations, helping them find food and escape danger. Some crabs can swim. Species like the blue swimming crab have flattened back legs that act like paddles, allowing them to swim quickly. Crabs have excellent eyes. Crabs have compound eyes with hundreds of tiny lenses. They can see movement extremely well, even from far away. Crabs can live in many different environments, from sandy beaches and mangrove forests to rocky shores and deep oceans. Crabs have been around for more than 200 million years, making them one of the oldest creatures still thriving on Earth. There are over 6,800 species of crabs worldwide, living in oceans, freshwater, and even on land. Crabs can walk in all directions, but they usually move sideways because it's the most efficient way for their leg joints. A crab shell doesn't grow with its body, so they must molt shedding their old shell and growing a new, larger one. During molting, crabs are extremely vulnerable, and many hide for days until their new shell hardens. Some crab species can regenerate lost claws or legs, though it can take several molting cycles to fully regrow them. Crabs communicate using sound, body movements, and even claw waving, especially during courtship or territorial displays. The coconut crab is the largest land-dwelling crab, capable of lifting objects up to 30 kilograms with its powerful claws. The Japanese spider crab has the longest leg span of any arthropod, reaching up to 12 feet, 3.7 meters. Crabs have a 360-degree field of vision, thanks to their eyes being located on movable stalks. Some crabs decorate themselves with algae, sponges, or other materials as camouflage from predators. Fiddler crabs have one oversized claw, which males use to attract females or intimidate rivals. Crabs breathe through gills, even land crabs, which must stay moist to survive. Many crabs are scavengers, helping keep marine ecosystems clean by eating dead fish or decaying matter. The lifespan of a crab varies widely, while others can live up to 70 years.